Good afternoon and good evening. Welcome to another Wavelength Wednesday. This is our June 2023 edition of a Wavelength Wednesday, our technical webinar series. We've got a good lineup for you today, and we'll go ahead and let's just go ahead and kick it off. So today we're going to be going over two main subjects. We're going to be going over Velocity TE integration and optimization with the ProGlove. And we're going to be going over some Neurons MDM user device and enrollment settings. Just a reminder before we get started, a little bit of housekeeping. If you have ideas about what you would like to see in these Wavelength webinars, what you would like to see in the product itself, the products, just go to the forums.avanti.com, go to Avanti Ideas, and you can submit your ideas there. In addition, you should see a QA box in the lower corner of your display today. And there you can put your questions and we'll answer them at the end of each demo or at the end of the presentation. And you can also put your ideas in there for what you would like to see for the next Wavelength Wednesday. All right, so up first we have Pascal. Pascal is a senior sales engineer, has been with Avanti since 2013, and he supports the EMEA sales team. Pascal is going to be talking about Velocity TE and ProGlove integration using the Velocity console and scripting and some of the APIs provided by ProGlove. All right, and let's get on with our demo.
Hello, everybody. Over the last couple of years, we have seen the ProGlove scanner being used more and more in the same logistics space as we are using our Velocity product in. And those scanners make sense because they allow the user to keep their hands free while scanning. And with the ProGlove Mark display, they can actually add some information or have some information on the back of your hand. So not only scan the products and move the products with both hands free, but also have the necessary information at hand when needed. ProGlove once asked us if we could integrate that Mark display into our Velocity product to be able to use the information from the WMS that is on the screen in Velocity, then put it on the Mark display. For that, we created a couple of building blocks, or scripts, if you will, to be used in our Velocity projects, and then make optimal use of the small display, the scanning input, as well as the double click on the scan handler. We can actually use that to perform some actual input that we can then use in our Velocity session. These scripts and building blocks are now documented and are put into a demo kit that we will provide to you for download. And this demo kit contains the files and the documentation that comes with it. So first of all, what is in that kit? There's 4 documents, and the first two actually, are the basic configuration documents that describe step by step how to configure and deploy a Telnet session as well as a web session from the Velocity console and then run it onto the device. This is basic information if you want to integrate any device. So we've documented that in step-by-step form for both Telnet and the browser.